Where do we go from here on at the market level itself? Because it's been fairly sideways. We have been consolidating. Is that going to be the case? Let's try and decode that with Ruchit Jain. He joins us from 5paisa.com. Ruchit, hi. Appreciate you making time and speaking with us. The first question on Bank Nifty and Nifty itself. Bank Nifty has been that pain point for the market. Do you expect that to continue?
Yes, hi, very good afternoon. Well, no, over this midweek holiday, a lot of negative news was seen where we witnessed some negativity in the global markets. INR depreciated above to cross that 83 mark. No, we even saw selling by FIIs in this month so far, where in the index futures they have about more than 60% of the positions on the short side. But despite of all these negative news, a market is holding quite well that support of 19,300 to 19,250 range, which is the 23.6% retracement of this entire up move of last 4 months and the 40 days exponential moving average. So I think no, most of the negativity so far has been factored in the markets at current levels. And until we do not go below this 19,300 again, I think no, the downside seems to be very limited from here on. Now, only thing is that the data needs to change positive for a resumption of the uptrend, which would happen on a surpassing that 19,600, 650 resistance zone. So there is a possibility that we are done with the price-wise corrective phase for now. But yes, some time-wise correction or some consolidation in the indices is possible for next few trading sessions before we resume the next leg of trended phase. So 19,300, 19,250 would be the very crucial support that we are watching out for. Even today, if you look at the options data, then put writers were quite active despite the gap down opening where initially we witnessed built up in 19,300 put option. Then as the day progressed, we even saw a good addition in 19,400 put options. So no, the downside seems to be very limited from here on in the index. Till 19,300, 19,250 is protected, one should not be much bearish from current levels. But yes, some time-wise correction is possible before resuming the uptrend.
Ruchit, thanks for your take on that. But let's also talk about the metal sector today, right? The whole metal space was down almost 1% in trade today with the rate cuts coming in from China. That is weighing down very heavily on the metal sector. So when do you think metals are going to start gaining sheen again, and what's the road ahead for metals then?
So a lot of news-based moves we have seen in the metal space recently. When the dollar index corrected sub 100 levels, we witnessed a good recovery in many of the steel names and some other metals names as well. And now when the news flows from China has come, regarding the slowdowns, then I think we are clearly witnessing an we are corrective phase again. So I think this volatility based on news flows is likely to continue in the short term. One should be very selective, but I don't think that one should look from a very short term perspective because trading opportunities are much better in other trending sectors which are going on rather than metals. So if you're looking from a bit mid to long term perspective, then this dip could be used as a good buying opportunity in selective names such as NMDC is there or Tata Steel is there. But no, I would avoid this sector from a very short term perspective.
As far as the metal basket is concerned, but which are those other sectors or stocks where you see a lot of opportunity?
So again, the PSU would be the one theme that I'm looking for. We have seen that last 3 or 4 months, PSU stocks have witnessed a good price volume action where the price up moves has been supported by good volumes. In this corrective phase too, we have seen the Nifty has corrected from about 19,990 to 19,300, but the PSU stocks have continuously shown a relative outperformance in this falling market as well. So two PSU names on my buying list. One is the buy call in ONGC, the heavyweight, where a high top, high bottom structure is in place. And one theme in this PSU theme, we have also seen that all those PSU stocks which are giving good dividend yield. The traders and investors are attracted towards that, which is, and that's why many such names have shown a good outperformance. So ONGC also is one such name where this recently rising crude oil prices are also positive for the company and good dividend yields are there for the company. And technically also there is a breakout which we have recently seen. So ONGC can be bought with stock below 174 for short-term targets of 188. And second PSU stock is from the mid-cap basket, which is Shipping Corporation of India. So a long consolidation phase has been there in this stock too. Last 3 trading sessions, the volume has increased gradually and prices have also given a breakout from this consolidation phase. So we expect a good follow-up move from SCI in the near term. One can go long with stock below 113 for targets around 115. Sorry, stock will be 103 and targets will be 150.
Ruchit, thanks a lot for taking the time out. Then two PSUs on Ruchit's radar, ONGC as well as Shipping Corporation of India.